need it all. I need it all. I need it all. And now it's coming. And this is it. My dark academia laundry room. Are you ready? Let's do this. Hi, guys. Remember this? My shout bottle? And I decorated it with resin and jewels and chains. And when I spray my clothes, it's fun. Look how much fun. And then look at this. I got my washing machine and What?
What's up with you?
Don't worry. I got my washing machine and I painted it. And I got my dryer and I painted it. And there's my shout bottle. Oh, I got my baking soda. And I got the lint. Oh, these poor sneakers, they fell apart when I washed them. But look what I got else. I got OxyClean. And I put all this stuff in my laundry, in my dark academia laundry room. Can you believe this is a miniature version of the real statue? How do you make fabric look and sculpt it to where it looks transparent? How do you do that? Sunflower seed, Amazon, cart. Yes, it's been done. I spent a lot of time working on this, and it was fun because laundry is a girl's worst friend. Not really. Not when you make it fun. Let's make it fun. Ah, yeah. Yes. Meanwhile, and it's so pretty, and then okay, what else do we have? What else do we have? What else do we have? We have all this, my floor, and this borax. I made this out of the boxes for this, and this is a heart. And here we have this, and this, and this is a wasp nest. I put it in a frame. I love it. Nice wasp nest. Oh, nice wasp nest. And then, there's this. My laundry room. Painting I did. And now let's have some fun with my stick-on wallpaper. Oh my goodness. The easiest thing to put up in the whole world. Hi guys. What is a laundry room without laundry. And this is my primary, secondary, tertiary, cool, and pastels. This is my color chart. I made this. And you can buy it online. And I'll send you the place where you can go buy it. That's your cut. You never need another color wheel. That's all you need. And that's it. My dark academia laundry room. La 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 la.